So Katerina is a botanist studying the production of pears by two types of trees. She noticed that type A produced 20% more than B did. Based on Katerina's observation, if type A trees produced 144, so what did type B trees produce? So let's say type B tree produced X. Now, one thing we know is that type A, let's say type A produced Y, okay? And Y happens to be 144 in this problem. But just to talk about it generically, what we could do is write Y as X plus 20% of X. 20% is 0.2X. So I can write Y equal to X times 1 plus 0.2. So this is a shorthand way of writing it. 1 plus means whatever comes after that is more, and if we put 1 minus, then it's a reduction or discount. So 1 minus whatever the percentage is. So in this case we can say Y equals X times 1.2. Now we can put Y as 144. So we got 144 equals X times 1.2. Divide both sides by 1.2 to get X, and that is 120. So your answer should be B. Now here's an important observation, okay? In spite of all these problems, let's talk about a simpler case to understand why you cannot just do 144 minus 20% of 144. You cannot do that. Because if you did that, you'll probably end up getting close to 115, and you may have an inclination to choose A in this case. But that would be wrong. And I'll show you with a simpler example. Let's say we start from 100 and we increase 20% on that. So that comes to 100 times 1 plus 0.2, which is 120. Now if you reduce 20% of 120, what is it? It's 120 times 1 minus 0.2. So this ends up being 120 minus 0.2 of 120. 0.2 of 120 is 24. So 120 minus 24 will bring it down to 96. That is not giving us back 100. And that happens because if something is 20% more than another thing, taking 20% of the bigger number out doesn't return you back to the smaller number. It takes out too much of it. So that's why that method is wrong. You have to set it up as the bigger number Y equals the smaller number times 1 plus 0.2, and then divide the bigger number by 1.2 to get rid of, to get the smaller number free and clear on one side. So that's the right way to do this.